Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync audio beat on InShot to match cut. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my InShot, and as you can see guys, I have imported my audio to the InShot project. And the first thing we're going to do if we want to sync audio beat on InShot is adding beat mark to our audio. We can click on our audio like this, and then you have to find the beat option, and here we can add beat mark to our audio. We just need to click on this play button to play the audio, and then we can click on this plus button to add the beat mark. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Click on this play button first. Okay, you can add the beat mark manually. Okay, once you're done, you can click on this check mark, and if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on this icon to clear all the beat mark you have added to your audio. Okay, and I'm going to cut my clip according to the beat mark. I'm going to place this parameter right here on the beat mark, and then we can click on split, and we have to delete the unwanted part of the clip like this. Okay, and the last one. All right, and this is the final result. Okay, you can also add transition if you want. You can add transition to your clips by clicking on this transition icon, and I'm just going to leave it like that. Alright guys, and that's how we can sync audio beat to match cut on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.